Hello, I, Sanjeev Kumar, today present last part of Life Changers, Dreamers and Doers, written by Robert H. Schuller. Dare to try something you have never tried before. Now concentrate. The devil's plan. I will not quit. I say to you that these four words are God's antidote to man's biggest emotional problem. And what is that? Man's biggest problem is discouragement. A partly mythological and legendary story has been created to prove this point. It was fabricated to fail. It was fabricated to tell a very authentic illustration. When Satan got all his chorus together and saw that the Christians were doing a lot of good in this world and that Jesus did make a lot of difference. He said, "Look, we have got a problem. Jesus Christ has created a big problem for us. What are we going to do?" One of the devil's chorus said, "I have got a good idea. We will get into the brains of all the men and women and we will fill them lust. That will really knock them out." They had a big discussion, but they couldn't make a decision. Another devil said, "No, that is not going to work because these people love each other, and people who really know how to love never give into lust. People who are used to poverty are never going to buy something that cheap. That won't work." Then another devil came up with this idea. Let's get all these people so filled with selfishness that we will tell them to love money, and they will be so hung up on money that they will go to hell. They talked about it and decided it was a great idea to appeal to the materialistic instincts. They thought about it a little more, and Satan said, "I don't think it will work. These people will just go out and make all the money they can, and then they will give away all they can. That's what's going to happen. If you get them thinking about money, they won't be against it. They will be for it. They will make a lot and give it away. And the moment will spread because they feed it. That's a loosey idea. Finally, one little devil came up with the best idea. Let's fill them with discouragement. If we get them discouraged, we will just get them thinking and looking at all the rest of the deviltry and sin going on in the world. They will look at all the people who don't follow Jesus. We will get them discouraged. If we get the discouraged, we have got it made. Because if we get them discouraged, they will become cynical. When they become cynical, they won't believe in hope anymore. And when they don't believe in hope, they will be despairing. And once they are despairing, they will be defeated. And all the chorus of devils applauded and said, "That is the key. Discouragement is of the devil. I will not quit is in the heart of every winner. And if you could look into the heart of a defeated person, you will find the word, I quit." Great people or common people committed to uncommon goals. Thank you. और याद रखें, सत्य से सुख और मैं से दुख अनिवार्य है। नमस्कार, मैं संजीव कुमार।